Hi joyful chefs! Today I'm making fluffy chocolate chip pancakes with a homemade strawberry sauce and whipped cream topping. This is so delicious and just in time for Valentine's Day. I'll show you first how to make those delicious pancakes. So into a mixing bowl, I'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and just a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients together and set it aside. Into a separate mixing bowl, I'll add 1 large egg and I'll whisk this together just until it's nice and light. Now I've mixed together 3/4 cups of evaporated milk and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'll add this homemade buttermilk to the eggs together with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these wet ingredients together just until it's well combined. Next, we'll pour this egg mixture into our flour mixture and we're going to mix until it forms a smooth pancake batter. It is important to use evaporated milk for this mixture because the evaporated milk is going to give you that perfect fluffy pancake. It's also important to use room temperature ingredients so that your pancake batter comes out really nice and smooth. Here you can see my pancake batter is ready. It's slightly thick but it's still a little runny, and that's going to give me some light and fluffy pancakes. Over a medium to low heat, I'll pour 1/4 cup of pancake batter into a non-stick pan. I'll add a few semi-sweet chocolate chips onto each pancake, and this is going to pair so well with those strawberries and make the perfect breakfast for Valentine's Day or any special occasion. You can also replace the chocolate chips with bananas, strawberries, and even some fresh blueberries. Once we begin to see all of those little bubbles surface on top of the pancakes, we'll know that it's ready to flip. A light brushing of unsalted butter on top of the pancake will keep any leftovers soft and moist. Just about a minute on this side and our pancake is ready. Let me show you how perfect it looks on both sides. And now I can show you that delicious strawberry sauce. Into a medium saucepan, I'll add 2½ cups of chopped frozen strawberries, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. Stir these ingredients together and bring this to a boil over a medium heat. I'm not adding any water into this because the sugar is going to draw out all of those delicious strawberry juices, and this sauce is going to be rich in color and flavor without adding any artificial colors or flavors. After just about 15 to 20 minutes of simmering, the sauce has thickened up nicely. It's a deep red color and it smells so amazing. This is the perfect topping for our special pancakes. This sauce can be prepared in advance and it stays well in the refrigerator in a sealed container for up to 2 weeks. And now to prepare our whipped cream topping. So into a mixing bowl goes 3/4 cups of chilled heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and I'll whisk this together until it's nice and fluffy. This process can also be done using an electric mixer, and you want to mix just until the whipped cream forms soft peaks. And I usually prepare the whipped cream freshly just as the pancakes are finished cooking. So here's my finished stack of pancakes and it's so light and fluffy. It smells so amazing. I can't wait to dig in. And as amazing as these pancakes are on their own, we need to add some of that delicious homemade strawberry sauce and whipped cream. I love that this is homemade, so you can add as little or as much as you like. And this is a picture-perfect breakfast for your Valentine's Day and special occasion. So as I dig into this, you can see how fluffy and soft those pancakes are. Making sure to get some of that strawberries and whipped cream, you can see that these pancakes are moist, they're really fluffy and light, and of course each bite will be filled with some chocolate chips, strawberries, and whipped cream. All of this together tastes so amazing, and I definitely know what I'm having for breakfast on February the 14th. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to message me and let me know if you try this and what you think. You can find this and other amazing recipes at Erica's Joyful Oven on Facebook and YouTube. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time, happy baking!